A business disruption can occur due to a number of causes. It could be a contract that's been breached. For example, if you have a franchisor who wrongfully terminates a franchisee. It could be a business interruption claim in the negligence context. For example, a landlord who fails to repair a roof and it caves in. And the next thing you know, some business is out of business as a result of the negligence of the landlord. So business interruption claims can arise both in a contract setting as well as negligence settings. And the key to business interruption claims is the valuation of the business, the evaluation of the income stream that the business enjoyed, and what portion of that business or income stream was lost as a result of a breach of contract or perhaps the negligence of somebody else. Business interruption claims also occur in the context of hurricanes and storm damage when you have property damage claims that somebody will bring against their own insurer to compensate them for business interruption. Business interruption claims are in large part calculated by certified public accountants. The presence of a lawyer is essential because not only do you have to navigate the contract and/or negligence law that establishes the liability for the business interruption claim, the lawyer also should be familiar with the accounting principles that are going to come into play when it comes to the valuation of a business or the calculation of a disrupted income stream. This firm has been handling business interruption claims since 1979, so we've handled them for over 43 years. This firm has extensive experience in both contract law as well as negligence law. So we are extremely familiar with virtually all the contexts in which a business interruption claim could arise. We've not only litigated those types of claims, we've also litigated those types of claims specifically for the purpose of recovering business interruption damages. What makes our firm different from other firms is that we are local. We've specialized in this area. We've also practiced throughout the country in both state and federal courts. We are passionate about representing our clients. We take an interest in them. Many of our former clients are friends to whom we communicate with to this day. Client communication is critical. We return telephone calls and emails promptly because a client should never go long at all waiting to hear what their attorney is doing. We are a small firm, and the advantage of having a small firm is I personally work on your case. Mr. DePaula personally works on your case. Your case and the preparation of that case, the appearance at court, trials, writing of appellate briefs, those are handled by the two of us, not someone else, not a paralegal, not a secretary. When you first meet with a client with a potential business interruption claim, you not only have to explain the underlying liability obligations that come into play to establish liability to pay damages, but then you will also explain to the client that this is not something that he can just scratch out on a piece of paper and calculate for himself. There are accountants that have formulas for business interruption calculations in just about every kind of imaginable business. You'll explain to the client that you, the lawyer, will be a large part of moving the claim forward, but in addition to that, you'll need the help of a seasoned, experienced, certified public accountant to assist in the calculation of the damages that you're entitled to.